So I ordered this last month, then it came last December 28. The seller was a second-hand tackle supplier from Japan. It took almost 20 or 25 days bago dumating. I was so worried baka ma-scam ako or something, pero dumating naman siya na maayos. So this one came like this, nasa box, and then pag open mo sa loob may makikita kang bubble wraps before this one. Tapos ito na siya, tanggalin mo yung bubble wrap and then dumating siya na ganito. And then pag open mo, makikita mo agad yung reel. This one. So I was really hoping to receive the right product. Buti na lang at tama nga siya. Dumating yung Daiwa Tatula or Tatula. That's 103 HLTW. Kaya tinawag na TWS is because of this one. T-winding system. I don't know. Basta dahil dito. Kasi itong T na to, kapag inopen mo yung bail or dito, inopen mo dito, bumababa ito. So dadaan yung line mo sa itong malaking open na ito. So pag cast mo, hindi siya dito sa maliit na to dumadaan. So here, maganon yung line mo, and then makakast mo siya na maayos nang walang obstacle or walang obstruction. See, the other side, and this one. Kaya siguro medyo mahirap siyang i-press kasi sumasabay itong mechanism na to or itong buong parang T-wing system or yan, T-winding system. So ang gear ratio nito is 6.3 is to 1. Isang ikot mo ng ganon, umiikot ng 6.3 itong spool na to. So ito yung pinakamababang parang gear ratio niya. Yung spool niya, para i-open, kailangan mo ng coin or kung mataas yung kuko mo, twist nyo lang siya ng ganon. And then yung cover niya, natatanggal yan. So good thing na hindi siya natatanggal all the way kasi mawawala to or ito, mawawala to kung hinayaan nilang matanggal yan all the way. So that's this one. Then yung braking system na gamit niya is para yung CVT ng motor, the more na umiikot ito is the more na lumalabas yung itong gold na to, lumalabas siya. Ito para ma-stop nito na controlled nito itong dial na to. So mas mataas yung number dito, mas hihigpit to, and then kung mabilis yung roll nito ng spool is mas napipigilan ng brakes. So yan. Fortunately, hindi tayo na-scam, no? Okay yung pinadala niya. Meron lang talaga siyang mga battle scars, pero this is worth it for the price. This is actually an old reel, and then may mga bagong rendition na yung reel na to. Iba na yung print dito, and then sa kabila iba na din. Parang may something na logo. But this is all good, and then we will try this later today. I-test field natin kung maganda ba siya, and then babalikan ko kayo. We're using a medium light for this one, no? And then at first cast medyo napabuhol yung line natin, pero after adjusting is na okay naman. So after few casts, medyo gamay ko na siya, and then konting adjustment na lang, napapalayo na din yung cast natin. The reel itself was not oiled, kaya medyo may tunog siya, and then second hand reel na rin siya, kaya hindi talaga ganun ka smooth yung feel niya, pero okay naman. Casting, it was great. Retrieving, it was great. And then the braking just works. Yun nga lang, wala tayong huli kasi medyo kalmado yung dagat, and then wala masyadong activity sa ilalim. So sabi nila, kung medyo may movement yung dagat, medyo mahangin, medyo maalon, is active talaga yung mga isda. And then this time, wala. The wind was peaking, pero wala masyadong movement sa tubig. If you only set the braking right, wala ka nang aalahanin sa pag-cast mo. Pero you will experience backlash pagka-drop ng lure sa water. Kaya whenever you cast, be mindful kung kailan babagsak yung lure sa tubig. Kasi kung hindi mo hinigpitan yung braking niya sa gilid, yung tension knob niya is talagang magbabacklash yan. So whenever I cast, tinitingnan ko talaga kung kailan naglaland yung yung lure natin. So pag it's about to land na, pinipigilan ko agad yung linya or yung spool kasi magkaka-backlash yan. That's my review about the Daiwa Tatula 103 HL TW for the T-Wing system. And then that's it. Till the next video. Bye. Dako? Nadari? Ay, pistol. Nag-cross na ito.